Congratulations! Yay! I am so excited for you that you are committing to continue your mindfulness practice and ultimately lay the foundation for your overall resilience. As you know by now, my name is Rachel with True Earth Yoga, and I have 3 options for how I can continue to best support you on your self-growth journey. Option 1 is our mindfulness membership. Within the mindfulness membership, you get access to the Ultimate Self-Care Kit, which already has over 100 practice videos, with at least 3 videos being added each month. These practices are short, such as 2 to 6 minutes, like you've already been practicing, as well as longer practices from 20 to 75 minutes long. These are breathing practices, movement practices, meditation, and general mindfulness practices so that you can support and cultivate your own mindfulness practice. When you join the mindfulness membership, you also get instant access to our mindfulness tracker and mindful journaling prompts. This is my way of providing you with the tools that you need to build your own practice, to try, experiment, and see what works best for you. The mindfulness membership is a reoccurring $27 each month, and when you commit to 6 months at a time, you get 1 month free, giving you 2 free months out of the entire year. This is perfect for you to build and support your own mindfulness practice. And if the mindfulness membership sounds exciting to you and you're feeling as though you would benefit from a little extra support, I have another option for you. You can upgrade your mindfulness membership to include a monthly one-on-one mindset coaching call with me. In our mindset coaching call, we'll be able to dive into specific supports for wherever your mindset is at. This is such a beautiful way to really cultivate your practice with a thought partner or guide. I'll be able to pull from my psychology resources, my mindfulness resources from being a yoga teacher, as well as everything that I've learned in my 7+ years of working in the mental health field. This is such a great opportunity for me to give you specific feedback and support. And if you join this upgraded version of the mindfulness membership, that is for $87 reoccurring each month. Again, when you commit to 6 months at a time, you get 1 month free, giving you 2 free months out of the year. And there's one more option for how I can continue to support you, and that is in my meaningful moments, making the most of your everyday life signature mindset coaching program. This operates as a group program and as intensive one-on-one coaching. This is a great option for you if you are feeling a nudge, if you're feeling called to do something more, to invest in and truly support your journey toward making the most of your everyday life. And what does that mean? That means no more surface level living. That means fully experiencing and living your life, knowing what it means to feel fulfilled and knowing what specifically for you you need to do or not do to move toward that meaningful living. If you're interested in learning more about this program, we dive deep into the breath, the body, the mind, and ultimately the spirit. Sign up for a connection call with me. This way I can get an idea of where you're at and if this is a good fit for you right now. And you can get an idea of what the program actually is and how it feels for where you're at in your journey. So however you continue to commit to your mindfulness practice with True Earth Yoga, I am so grateful that you are here, and I look forward to continuing to support you in your growth. Be well and be you.